The tools you need to remove the solenoid start relay is a 10mm socket. You can use a ratchet and a socket with an extension. And I'm going to go ahead and remove it. Get the spider webs out the way. This one's pretty easy. If the ratchet works, there it goes. Take the 10mm out. There's two 10mm screws that hold it. Just take them out and save them because you're going to put them back in. Alright. There's one plug that holds it on right here. Alright, you got to take a pair of channel locks and snap the little tie strap that's holding it. It'll come right off. Alright. Then all you got to do is push this little clip here and it'll come apart. It does not need to clip. It just goes into that slot right there. When you put it back in, take it out. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and do the fuel pump next, because that's the other device you are removing. It's 10mm socket too. Now I'm going to have to disconnect these clamps from the fuel line. Now they're just held on there too, so I'm going to do the same thing with the channel locks. Break them loose. They're a little. This one's a pain, but it's all right. It's a compression clamp that they put on there, but it will come apart. There it goes. And then all you got to do is, if you want to, take the pliers and loosen the holes like that, and it will come right off after that. All right. This one right here is a little harder to get to, but you can cheat. Grab the pliers and twist it around. This is just another little clamp. Once I break it loose, there it goes. Alright, and then grab it from the side right here. Pull it, push it back, out the way, and then loosen it so it should come right off. That's your two fuel lines. And all you got to do, again, there's two screws down inside here. See them? One there and one there. That's the 10mm that hold the pump on. Put the screws right here so I don't lose them. Nice thing on these, all 10mm seems to be a common size. That's the removal. They're both off. Now we're going to do it reverse order and put it right back on. Here. Alright, installation of fuel pump. 10mm bolt, put it back in the hole. There we go. On back up, pumping. Yep. Alright, then go ahead and tighten them. It doesn't require tons of torque. It's a good hand torque. And you're done. Put the holes back on both sides. Yeah, I hate that way. Room is key in here. Slide this clamp back over, back on. And for this one, get you a small hose clamp and put it back on it. Now we're going to go ahead and reinstall the solenoid actuator. This is the start and stop solenoid. And it's got two screws. And we'll go ahead and set it on there. And this one, just set it on there. See this little pin right here? It goes into this slot right here and sets right in there, just like that. It's got two screws. Sorry, I'm in the way. There's really no way for me to do that. Then all you got to do is tighten them. There's really only one position for it to go in. So tightened. Now all you got to do after that is plug your plug back in. Tie strap's not necessary to put it back in. It'll stay right where it's at. And you're done.